And we're back. What is up, everybody? I know it's been 2 weeks since I've been off. I needed the time off. Been busy getting my life in order, get some things in order, worry about my clothing brand Temple, getting some stuff straightened away with that, and work, and improving myself, trying to get out of my job so I can get a better job, a corporate job. I'm back, needed some time off. I hope y'all are good. So this video gonna be about week 3 and week 4. I'm gonna do week 5 tonight. I'm gonna come back and finish week 5, and I'll put all 3 of those weeks together and be done. And yeah, that's how we're gonna roll. If you haven't, go check out my Human Made duck hunting club video. I did some designs, like a concept design for Human Made, dealing with duck hunting, since the duck is one of their go-to animals in the brand. And currently I'm working on the next design for you all, dealing with the polar bear, so y'all stay tuned for that. I don't know what's going on with YouTube, because 1 minute I had probably like 15 to 20 likes on that Human Made duck hunting club video, and then that shit dropped down to like 4 or 5. So YouTube, please get your shit together, and y'all screwing on my analytics. It's ruining me right now. With that being said, we're gonna get ready to week 3, 4, and 5. I'm gonna come back later to do 5, so I may have some on different, I may have the same thing on, who knows, we will see. So with that being said, let's get right into it. So the first thing they dropped for week 3 was this Human Made Raglan Crewneck sweater. It came in a gray colorway, and it came in a navy blue colorway with this Human Made heart with the Human Made script inside of it. So we have a white print on blue, and we have the black print on the gray of the Heather Raglan Crewneck sweater. I would prefer the black on gray than the white on blue. So if I had a choice, I'll go with the black on gray. Next, we're gonna have 3 types of hoodies, but 2 of them the same, but slightly different, and the other one's just a different color. So first we got this zip up hoodie. Moon right here, he looking out the window. First, we got this zip up hoodie with the Human Made heart on the front, and it's stitched in on the front. So on this one is gray, a gray heart with the white text inside the heart that says Human Made. It also on the back, it says Human Made with white print. We got a green hoodie with the black heart with the white text inside that says Human Made with the black Human Made print on the back. And also we have the other black hoodie with the red Human Made heart with the white text in it, also with the white Human Made print on the back as well. I'm kind of glad, like, they rarely drop the zip up hoodies, but they dropped it in this one, so I guess they probably be the only time this season that we get this. So yeah, you rarely see zip up hoodie. More or less, we're gonna always have pullovers for Human Made, but I like the little switch up that they're doing with the zip up. So next, we got some military chino pants. We got them in gray, and we have them in this khaki. We got the Storm Cowboy we got the Storm Cowboy in the left pocket, stitched in, not printed on, so it's stitched. And also we have Human Made on the back pocket of the pants as well, and it says Human Made with the heart. So that's what you can get from these. If I prefer to pick one of the 2, it really don't matter to me. I like both. If I had to pick one, I'll probably just any, meeny, miny, mo it. But yeah, I like these chino pants. I still haven't got a pair of Human Made pants yet. I still need to get that, so y'all can see how they look and feel, and so y'all can see how they will fit on me, like on my body type, so y'all know what would be best for y'all to go with when y'all decide to get some pair of pants from Human Made. So next, we got some beanies. I'm not a beanie guy. Well, I don't really care for these type of beanies. I'm a fan more of the fisherman beanies. I do like way they fit on my head. They're like nice and snug, cause of course I'm bald, as you all can see. Y'all really gonna see my head, so y'all seeing it now. But yeah, we got this in navy blue with the red heart, gray, black heart, green, yellow heart, brown, tan heart. So y'all can expect this from the beanies. I ain't gonna swipe through it, but y'all can see it right here on the screen. Yeah, just to make us some fisherman beanies, bro. Like some fisherman beanies, I would greatly appreciate that. But I'll pass on these, I'm good. And next we have the crates. Oh, we're gonna talk about the shipping. I'm gonna talk about the shipping in the next video that I'm gonna make, so y'all stay tuned for that, cause I got a lot of DMs about the shipping and reading the comments in the Human Made Instagram about the shipping, but I'm gonna get into that in the next video. Yeah, so we got 130 liter, 220 liters, and I believe that bottom one may be a 50 or 75 liter if I'm not mistaken. But we got in the orange, brown, pink, and yellow. Though pink and yellow remind me of Starburst. So yeah. But I didn't get no crates this time. I got plenty upstairs. I don't need any more at the moment. But yeah, this will have dropped. If you cop, congratulations, but not congratulations. You'll understand why I say congratulations, but not congratulations later in the next video. All right, so before we go to the next one, please like, comment, subscribe down below. I just need all the support that I can get. I'm so close to 800 subs, which would be 200 subs away from 1,000, and I need to get my watch time up. So if y'all can watch my videos, please watch them all the way through. Trust me, I get it. I know as soon as I start my videos, y'all skip right into the video itself. Y'all don't give a damn about the intro, but trust me, I understand, because I do it sometimes depending on the content. So I'm gonna just start jumping right into the video moving forward, so y'all don't have to skip through it. So like, comment, subscribe down below. I greatly appreciate it. Also, while I got y'all here, I'm gonna switch up my content just a little bit. I'm gonna continue to talk about Human Made, but I'm gonna add some other brands in the video as well. And I'm gonna do a lot more design stuff dealing with Human Made, coming up with my own concepts, themes, and things like that, so y'all can expect more of that moving forward. Also, I decided on doing the same thing for other brands that I like. So I'm gonna keep the design stuff coming. I'm currently sketching out the next design for Human Made. The next one gonna be the polar bear, since I already did the duck. And then after the polar bear, I'm gonna do the tiger or the dog and the civet cat. So I'm gonna pick one out of those three to be after the polar bear. So stay tuned for that. And I think that's everything I need to tell y'all about. So let's get into week 4 of this video. All right, so week 4, it mainly dealt with the Human Made military side of Human Made. So we're gonna get into the bags that they dropped. We're gonna start off with the helmet bag. So this is the first bag we're gonna review. So this bag I like a lot because they got the different type of patches on it. They got the bulldog, the duck, some more ducks with the crosshair on it. I like this. I really do like this a lot, and I think it plays really cool with the thing that I just did with the, since I see it on here, they had the ducks with the crosshairs on it, and I just did the Human Made Duck Hunting Club before this drop. So, Nigo, you look, we connecting. You may be in Tokyo, but we connecting. I'm here in Atlanta, but we connecting. I see what you're doing. Hey, fuck with me, maybe we can do something. I want to help contribute to the brand because I actually like the brand. So Nigo, and anybody else out there that know Nigo or whatever, tag him, let him know what I'm doing, show him what I'm doing. Hopefully he'll like it. You never know what can happen. So I like this bag, it's cool, but I'm not really a bag guy. I only just carry around book bags if I'm going somewhere. So I say I would pass on this, but I like it overall with the patches on it. Next, we got a mini shoulder helmet bag. We got it in black and gray. And we got it, and also we have the military green and yellow. And it says geared for futuristic teenagers on the little pouches on the front with the Human Made heart, and it says Human Made. I'm gonna pass on these because I'm not much of like a shoulder like bag type of guy. So I will pass on this. Next, you got another backpack they drop, and this is like a 3.0 version of the backpack that I got upstairs because it got a little bit more storage on it. It just got a little bit more storage than the one that I have, but I'm good on that because I really don't carry too much stuff around but my laptop charger, phone charger, and the other little knickknacks that I probably would need like wherever I'm going. This book bag, I like it, but it just seemed a little bit too bulky for me. But I can appreciate why he added all the pockets just to actually utilize it and use the backpack for what it's meant to be used for and not just for a piece to be shown. But yeah, I fuck with it, I like it, but would I get it? Nah, but I appreciate it. Next, we have the military pouch. We got 2 more pouches of the military pouches. So this is number 1. Number 2 gonna be the same thing, but just a little bit smaller. So I'm gonna skip over number 2, then I'm gonna go to number 3 of the pouches. Get me? Feel me? Let's get it. So number 1, we got it in black, green, and red. I like these colorways. And I know I said I won't buy any like bags or pouches or anything like that, but this would be perfect like for traveling. You can put your toiletries and stuff in it, your deodorant, your toothpaste, your floss, whatever you need. Like, I think it'd be perfect to have this to put those type of things in. I can see myself buying this only just for travel. Again, I don't like wearing bags when I'm out. It's just an extra thing I gotta worry about because the only thing I really carry with me, depending on where I'm going, and if I'm driving, I normally have my phone and my keys and my wallet. That's it. I don't really need all the extra stuff. But again, this would be perfect for traveling. So I'm gonna skip back the pouch number 2 because it's the same thing but smaller. And pouch number 3 is a little bit different. I would pass on this one. I just don't really like the way it looks personally. Just for me, personally, I'm good on it. So that is it for 3 and 4. I'm gonna come back later and finish out 5 when they drop tonight because today is Friday. And then I'll give y'all another update on that. All right, All right, so back for week 5. I'm wearing the same thing from yesterday. It's whatever, it's cool, it's fine. I'm taking a shower after this. But with that being said, let's get right into week 5. All right, so starting off, we got this dope like satin human made jacket. We get these normally like once a season. So I think this is like the first one for the season that we're getting. We got this dope black satin jacket with stitched in with this eagle trying to kill a duck. That is sick. I like that a lot. Also, we got another version of this is an eagle flying above the duck and the duck just swimming in the water. I think this is really dope, but I like the black one a little bit more than this green and yellow one. And it's the front side of it with the eagle. So we got a new animal to the collection, which is the eagle. Kind of curious on that. Let me know what y'all think about that. And on the green one, we got the ducks on the front, and on the black, we got the eagle on the front, which I like this a lot. And I think we do have a new animal in the lineup, which is sick. And yo, this is crazy. He got the eagle trying to hunt down a duck. This is sick, bro. Nigo, you're killing it, dog. You are killing it. I like this a lot. So yeah, if y'all able to get this, congratulations. But I really do like this jacket a lot. The black one the most, because the eagle trying to kill the duck. So either is the eagle trying to kill the duck to take his place? That's something to think about as well. Let me know what y'all think. So next we got like a white human made hoodie with the basic human made heart and human made logo on the front. And we have it in a military green as well with the black heart and human made in it. And we have it on a pink as well, which I like a lot. If I decide to choose between the 3, I probably will go with the pink over the other 2. So I like the hoodie. All right, next we got a long sleeve tee. It got the Storm Cowboy on the front, very small, and we got gifts for futuristic teenagers on the left sleeve of the t-shirt. And on the, we got this in black as well, and in heather gray. So it just says human made on the back with gifts for futuristic teenagers on the sleeve. Then we got this in 3 different colorways, which is gray, black, and white. Like it a lot. I like it a lot, very simple. Next, we got some accessories. We got some rings. I'm not gonna go through each slide showing the ring. I'll just have it all together. So we got a yellow, blue, pink, and green, or Tiffany and red ring. I'm not an accessories guy. I don't wear rings. I don't wear necklaces. I don't wear watches. But I'm thinking about getting an Apple Watch. Just thinking about it. I don't know if I'm gonna get it because I already got my phone, so I don't really need no Apple Watch. But thinking about it. But yeah, these are the rings they drop. If you got it, cool. Me, I'm not an accessories guy. I don't wear this stuff. Next, I caught one of these cases. I caught the middle case, the Storm Cowboy. That's just one of my favorite logos from this brand. Every time they like put it on something, I'm buying it. It's just one of my favorite logos. So we got the human made heart in like this light gray on the clear case, which is on the phone right now on the left side, and then we got the red heart on the case as well. Again, the shipping is still crazy, and I noticed that since they went back to EMS, they actually added in the import taxes and stuff. So some of y'all may get hit with that as well, but I just wish they just go back to FedEx, man. Nigo, please go back to FedEx, because EMS is not hitting. FedEx, we normally get our stuff within a week, and the shipping is cheap. So yeah, that is it on that. I hope everybody got what they wanted. It was a pretty good 3 weeks, to be honest. It was a decent 3 weeks, but I feel like the favorite item of all these weeks will probably have to be, let me see, let me go back through it. So my favorite item that have dropped since these past 3 weeks, I would say that black jacket, to be honest, with the eagle on it trying to kill the duck. That's one of my favorites. And the Storm Cowboy cell phone case. I got 11. I already have a clear case right now, but I'm gonna just swap this out and put the new case on. So yeah, that is it. Those are my 2 favorites, the Storm Cowboy case and the black satin case. I mean the black satin jacket. So that's just it. Hope everybody got what they wanted. Catch y'all next video. Peace.